now, we're parasailing right now in Jamaica. Down here in Negril. Look on the beach. Wow. Is it? So right now, me a parasail for the party. The party is one of the epic party. One of the bad party them. It's not all of the hot party them for this summer. You know, Selfi TV boss, we fully representing our live. You know what I mean? Parachute. The plane just crashed with the coke. Yo, Selfi TV. No cassette, no CD, no DVD. We're parasailing right now in the sky. Look how Jamaica nice and people are kill off themselves. Right now, I'm living it up right now down here in Negril, Jamaica. I know we have fans them from all over the world. Shout out to all my fans on TikTok, Instagram, you know, Facebook, YouTube, you name it and all of that. We just a touchdown in the way. Alright. See there? Hey, what's up? Yeah. If you want the Selfi TV boss bookings number, you know, you can always call me for your beautiful experience and adventures in Jamaica at 1-876-418-4359. Jesus Christ. Land. Right, that's so. Alright, you get that? Alright, so wow, this is adventurous. I'm down here in Negril, Jamaica, living my best life right now. With the big league crew. You can't live a better life than this. Yeah, Selfi, we are watch. Yeah. See, boss, a captain. Yeah.